Welcome Blue Star School students. Today we are going to see about 7th chapter in 6th Maths NCERT book. Okay, chapter name is fraction. Last video we saw the 6th chapter integer. Okay. Right. Chapter number 7. Chapter name is fraction. Write the definitions of the fraction. A fraction is a number representing part of a whole. Okay. Example 1 by 3. So, fraction is used to represent a part of a whole. So, fraction consists two numbers. One is numerator and another one is denominators. Numerator means above the line and denominator means below the line. Here, numerator means how many parts are taken from the whole and denominator means total number of the part. Are you clear? This is the examples of fraction. Let's move the exercise problem. Take the first exercise, exercise number 7.1. Exercise number 7.1. Write the first question. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Shaded portion. Then we take the first subdivision, that is A subdivision. See this first subdivision. Use this triangle, it has divided into 4 equal parts. But not all the 4 parts are shaded. Do you think that all the 4 parts are shaded? No. There are only 2 parts are shaded. That means 2 parts out of 4 parts. So the answer is here whole means total number of parts is how many parts? 4. How many parts are taken from this whole? Only 2 parts. 2 shaded portion. Okay. So we can say the 2/4 of triangles are shaded. Okay. Next, let's move this again some. The next image we see that it is an arrangement of many squares. Many squares. So, how many squares do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, total number of part is 7. From this, how many squares is shaded? There are, this sum had 3 portions on 3 shaded portion out of 7. So the answer is 3 by 7. Here total number of part is 7. How many parts are taken from the whole? Only 3 parts. 3 shaded portion out of this 7. Next, let's move the Second question. Write the second question. Color the picture. Color the picture according to given fraction. According to given fraction. Write the first subdivision. One by 6. 1/6. Color the picture according to the given fraction. Write the question. This is the given diagram. We have to shade it according to the question. So, here total is 6. Here, how many parts are there? Total number of parts is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we have to shade it 1 out of 6. So, we have to shade one of the 6 part. Next, we have to move the fourth subdivision. Fourth one, 3 by 4. Here, see this sum. Here total number of parts is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to shade it how many parts? 3 parts. So, we have to shade 3 out of 4. This is the answer. Next, we have to move the fourth sum. Write the question. Question number 4. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? What fractions of a day is 8 hours? So, we are given with the number of hours, that is 8. We have to find fraction for 8 hours in a day. That is, what fractions of a day is 8 hours. Now, number of hours in a day is 24 hours. So, right? We know since one day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. So, we have to find the fraction of 8 hours. The fraction of 8 hours equal to number of hours is 8. Number of hours in a day is 24 hours. So, 24. Total number of hours is 24. This is the answer. So, therefore, the fractions of 8 hours is 8 by 24 hours. Here 8 is represent number of hours and 24 is represent number of hours in a day. Next we have to move the seventh sum. Take down the seventh sum. Kanchan dyes dresses. Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. She has so far finished 20 dresses. What fraction of dresses has she finished? Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. She has so far finished 20 dresses. What fractions of dresses has she finished? Okay, so this is the question. We are given with total number of dresses is, that is 30 dresses. First we have to write the given part of this sum. What is the given? Here given is total number of dresses. Total number of dresses is 30. She finished how many dresses? 20 dress. Here total number of dresses is 30. She dyed 20 dresses. So we have to find the fraction. So fraction of dresses she has finished is we have to find fraction of finished work is here total number of dress is 30. Out of 30 she finished 20 dresses. This is 20 came from dried dresses and 30 came from total number of dresses. So we have to convert this fraction into simplest form. So we have to cancel a 10 table. So 10 twos are 20 and 10 threes are 30. So we get 2 by 3. So therefore fractions of finished work is 2 by 3. Okay. This sum is over. Next we have to move the homework sums. Our homework part is this is our homework sum. First sum has two subdivisions, second and fourth. Second sum has 2 and 3. And fifth sum, what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes. Here int is 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. This is the hint for this sum. Okay. Okay, thank you students.